So our next topic is role hierarchy. What do you understand by role hierarchy? Anyone? Any guess?
I think I think position wise in a team like someone is a manager then developer this type here.
Yeah, right. And how you can go to the role hierarchy setting? The same way, whatever change we have to do as a customization level, so we must have to go through this setting icon. Okay, so we just have to click on this setup and under quick find box, we just have to search for role hierarchy. Once you will go to this roles, here we have option for setting up the role hierarchy. Actually, role hierarchy is nothing but it's just like who will be reporting to whom on the org level. So suppose we have a CEO of the company. So under CEO we will have directors, right? Under directors we will have senior managers, and under senior manager we will have manager, and under manager we will have associate manager, right? So those things we can set up from here, from these roles. And whenever we create any user, so at that time role is like we have option for giving the role, right? I hope you have gone through with that. If not, let me go to that once again. Suppose I'm creating a new user, right? So here it will ask for the role, right? So this role you can select from that role hierarchy. So all the hierarchy I have already added, so that's why it's coming. So all these roles are part of that role hierarchy. So I will just go to this role hierarchy, and here we have option for territory based, product based, and company size based sample. It's just for sample. We can see here. How the label works. So I will just go to this setup roles. So this screen is just for training purpose. Like you can go through with these, okay, and it will not impact on the account. Once I will go to this setup a role, so it will go to that role hierarchy setup. Okay, so here you can see creating the role hierarchy. You can build on this existing role hierarchy shown in this page. To insert new role, click add role. Okay, so I have just minimized everything. If you want to expand, here we have option collapse and expand. If I will expand, so all the existing role will appear. See here, all these roles I have already added. That's why it's appearing. If I want to collapse, I will just collapse all, and it will just collapse everything. Like you can see here under ABC technology, only CEO is displaying, but here we have option for plus, like plus, right? Once I will click on this plus, then it will extend this CEO level. Under CEO, who all are there? Under CEO here I have added CFO, Chief Sales Officer, CEO, SVP, SVP, Human Resource, SVP, Sales Marketing. So all these roles I have created under CEO, who will be reporting to CEO directly. Okay. Again, you can see here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Again, here you can see under CFO we have plus icon, right? So from here we can expand that CFO role as well. So under CFO, as of now we don't have any role, so that's why it's not coming. Okay, whatever the roles we have added, so those will appear. So here under SVP Customer Service and Support, I have three roles: Customer Support International, Customer Support North America, Customer Installation and Repair Service. So that's why if we have added, then only once you will add, then only it will appear. If you will not add, then it will not come. Okay, so again here you can see this plus icon. If I will go to this plus icon, so it will go to that list. Okay, so who all are reporting under this Customer Support International? As of now, I have not added any role. Okay, so whatever the roles we have, so all those will appear here, and we can update or we can create according to our requirement. Because every company or organization will have their different role hierarchy. It's not like same role hierarchy will be there in every company. It depends on the company or like business basis. Okay, so how we can create a new role? So here we have add role button, right? Under each level you will get this add role button, or we have option for edit or delete. If you think these roles are unnecessarily we have added, so we can remove that as well. Like, let me go to the bottom: human resource development, SVP, sales marketing, SVP customer service support. Suppose I want to remove this installation and repair service role, so I will just click on this delete and OK. Now it will delete this role from the organization. Now here you can see only two roles we have. Suppose I want to add a new role under COO. As of now, under COO, we don't have any role. Under COO, one second. Under COO, we have one, that is sales, right? I want to add another role under COO, who will be reporting to COO. So I will just click on this add role, and I will give a name as marketing, uh, marketing expert, and save it. Okay. And now if I will go to that role hierarchy under CO, so here you can see we have this marketing expert new role which we have created. If you want to create another role under marketing expert, so here we have option to add. Okay. Same way, you can create any custom hierarchy according to your business requirement. So here we if we don't want all these things, so by default it will not come like this in any organization. So here I have created all these things, so that's why it's coming. In your org it will be different. So you can set up a role as per your understanding, like who reports to whom, like that, and you can do the practice. Okay. So whenever you will delete, suppose you want to delete this CEO role, so whoever will be part of this CEO hierarchy, so those will like it will ask for the reassignment. Or you should second. It will be better if I will go to the practical only. Under customers support, let me create customer associate. Okay, so here under customer support, I have added this customer associate. Just for example, don't think like it's any role in the organization. I'm just giving an example here. So customer support, I am just deleting this customer support international. So it's saying we have these roles and users assigned to that specific role. So under this customer support international role, we have one user whose role is this one, customer support international. And next one is we have another role linked with that, customer associate, right? So until unless we will remove these two linking, it will not allow us to delete that role. So if you want to delete any existing role where the functionality we are already working and people has been already assigned on those roles or it was already being used, so in that case, first of all, we have to remove those linking. So from here, I will just go to that user and I will just update the role. Here you can see customer support international. I will just edit it and I will just customer director support North America. I will just give director QA role and save it. Okay, so if I will I will just refresh it, only one will come. Customer support international. So it will give one error here. Now, if we want to delete this role, so before that we have to delete this customer associate role first. Okay. So customer associate, first of all, I will delete this customer associate role, or we can also update this customer associate instead of deleting. Like here we have option for edit and we can change this role reports to section and here customer support international. uh, Customer support international has been selected, so I will just select this customer support North America and save it. So now that role is not linked with any sub roles, right? Here you can see customer support international, we don't have any linking now, and that role came to this customer support North America. So here you can see customer support North America. I have linked with customer associate. Now if I will go to this customer support international, so it will allow us to delete. So this role got deleted. So if we have any linking, so until unless we remove those linking, it will not allow us to delete any roles. Okay, so you can create any role, you can edit any role, you can assign the reporting manager of any role. Okay, so you can change at any time. Okay, so here an assign option is there. So if you want to assign any specific user on this role, so you can use this button, assign button, and it will go to the user list, and from here you can select user to whom you want to assign. Okay, so these options we have for this role hierarchy. And under this list view, here we have option show in tree view, right? So in list view, so in sorted list view, all the options we have. So whatever the option we will select, so it will display accordingly here. It's in tree view, right? You know tree. What is the tree view? It normally represents who reports to whom in a tree format. Here we have show in sorted list view. So it's coming in sorted list view format. So here you can see same. This is the role, and this role is reporting to home and reported report display name. Okay, if you want to change the view, so in list view. So now it's coming in the list view format. Again, if you want to change into that list tree view, so you can. Okay, and as soon as we create any list any role, so just after creating that, you can assign that role to any user. It activates immediately after creation of that role. Okay, any doubt in role hierarchy?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, if not, then I think we are good for today's class. In next class, we will discuss about other topics. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your time.